Yeah.
Evening guys, Al here again, off on another adventure. So I'm not feeling too good. However, they do say the best medicine for a cold is to get out and get some fresh air. So let's get out, see if we can get a big bass. So standard rig for me, one up, one down. Sea weight at the bottom, so we'll illuminate that. Bit of lumi on there, both with ragworm. Let's get it chucked out. So I thought I was into an almighty flounder then. Yeah, not happy with that. Let's get it sorted. So it's a bit of a numbers game at the minute. But where there's small ones, apparently there's big ones. Let's get it back out. So getting slightly bigger, but still only the schoolies. So loads of schoolies, just up in the bait size now. So, still getting plagued by the schoolies. The wind has turned now, we're getting gusts. It says up to 33 mile an hour. It's just every now and then. I mean, both the tripods nearly went over a minute ago. Tide's well and truly out now, so we've probably got about half an hour. So we'll give it another cast, see if there's anything big out there. So the wind come right in then. We just bailed, got out of it. It's half past midnight now. So we're gonna try a new spot for an hour, see if there's anything out there. So down at the next spot, it is blowing a hoolie. Probably going to fish it for about an hour, couple of casts, see if there's anything out there. Well, we want something a little bit bigger than that. So it looks like it's going to be a numbers game tonight. Nothing of any size yet. So that's Chris's first at the new spot. They're getting a little bit bigger, but we still want that big one. Well done, mate. Cheers. So that's number 10 for me. There's got to be some biggies out there. He's flared right up trying to get me. Let's get him put back. So we're on to double whammies now. There is tons of these little ones. So 17 bass on this session. No biggies. We're going to call it end of session there. There we go guys, another session done. Yeah, nice to get out. I actually got it wrong. I think we had 20 or 21 bass, but nothing to write home about, just little ones. Yeah, it's nice to get out, although, yes, the sound of it now, I probably should have gone out because I'm feeling pretty rough. But yeah, nice to get out. Thank you to Chris again, and I'm sure we'll be out again soon. On to the next session. As always, guys, give us a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so any adventures that we go on, you can come with us, and we'll see you at the next session.